guys enjoyed our last episode, episode 4, about the beautiful DIY epoxy countertops.
They were awesome. Actually, family and friends came over to visit and everybody loved it, and they asked me if I can do some countertops for them.
Too bad you're not for hire.
I know, unfortunately.
We also want to give a huge shout out and thank you to all of our friends and family who are supporting us in the comments and liking our videos, especially Danny, Kevin, Kelsey. We see you in those comments and we truly, truly appreciate it.
Yeah, we definitely appreciate it a lot.
It really helps the channel. I mean, it really helps us get the videos rolling. We're so jazzed. We actually have over 100 followers now. That might sound small, but that's a huge milestone for us.
Yeah, we're super excited about it, and thank you so much for each and every one of y'all.
Yeah, so let's get into what they're going to be seeing in this episode.
Yeah, so this is going to be a little bit of a crazy episode, a little bit of things that happen unexpected as a project goes. So we're going to be addressing the trim. I'm going to finish out the cabinets, get that all buttoned up, and then pretty much everything is done except for the plumbing in the outdoor kitchen. And then the second part of the video where we
going downstairs.
Yeah, we plan to get to the plumbing. However, you guys should definitely stay tuned to see what happened when it came to the plumbing.
Yeah, there was a couple roadblocks, y'all, including live critters. You found some critters, didn't ya?
It was crazy. So a little bit unexpected things. The project, basically how any project goes, is real life projects. It's not made up stuff like on TV that you usually would see. So you guys would definitely see what I'm talking about.
So stay tuned and let's get to it.
Let's get to it.
Woo!
Okay, so quick thing that I want to show you guys, a little detail that I'm not sure anybody would ever notice but me. That's something that I would like to do, is so instead of doing a trim piece on the corner like this, you can do it both ways, either like that or like this. I decided to cut these 1-bys with a 45-degree angle and then pre-nail them so it's already in a corner. And then I just put it over in the corner, and then it looks like a post, and it's even on both sides. Little detail, if anybody is interested in doing small details in their project, this is one of my small details. Hope you guys like it. So we got the trim finish, as you guys can see up there, all the way through. Got that finished up. I did a little bit of trim piece around the griddle area, and then I did all the corners around the counters or the cabinets, and then also around the shelves. And then one thing I've noticed is this bar top is too short. So I'm gonna have to take this off and then have it extend over this countertop. I didn't know at the time when I put this on that I'm gonna be putting up trim like this. Didn't plan ahead, and this is what you get. What are you doing, baby?
Thought I'd make a little cameo appearance. I'm gonna pour some epoxy.
Epoxy resin.
So you tell me what to do. Give me a little bit
Just spread it out and get all the surface area covered.
Okay. So how do I get into those corners? Just kind of push it?
Yeah, just push it in the corners. Yeah, push like that. And then we drag it out again. Just like that.
Oh, even out?
Yep.
There's a bubble. Any more?
Got it.
Got it.
The thing that I want to do is to change out this ledge, backsplash, whatever you want to call it. So I had it on, so if you sit out here, that your drink won't spill over, but I put it on top of the countertop, and I think I want to change it to be on the side of the countertop. I got all the screw loose from underneath, and I put liquid nails down when I put this in, so I'm gonna try to get this stuff off, and let's see how this goes. Now I need to clean it up, sand it a bit, and then it's gonna be time for some staining. On to the next step. Let's do this. Woohoo! That was on here, and we actually like it so much that we decided not to put it back. For now we like the openness, and we're gonna keep it like that and see how it goes. The next project, or basically going forward, it's eventually time that we attack this plumbing. Next time we actually finally gonna get to plumbing. We're gonna be installing the sink, and then before that I have to run hot and cold water lines through there, and that's gonna be my drain with my P-trap and all that. And then this pipe is for the ice machine. I do need to put in another pipe like that for the fridge, because the fridge also has water and an ice dispenser. So here is a water filter system that I want to install for the boathouse. It's gonna go in there underneath the stairs, and then the drain is gonna come down there and then straight down into that pipe. I want to show you guys the space I got to work with. Okay, so that's what I got. It's a big old mess. Obviously I have to clean it out. The water filter is gonna go somewhere in that wall area. So yeah, I'm gonna have to clean this out and see what we got to work with. So we got it kind of cleaned out, just most of the stuff cleaned out.
Now, if all of that isn't enough,
projects just go the way projects go. The reason I say that is my plan was to put that water filter mounted over here, run my plumbing all around it. However, cleaning it up afterwards, I discovered that this footer is no more. So plumbing is gonna have to wait, unfortunately. So I'm gonna have to basically take everything out. The only two good pieces is the white pieces. Everything else looks a little bit rough, and I definitely don't want to redo this in 2 years time. So that's it. Sometimes you take one step forward and 2 steps back, and that's just the way the cookie crumbles. of nastiness still to clean up, but feeling hopeful that we getting somewhere. Okay, so we got this nasty wall out with all the rotten wood, so that's out the way, and next thing is gonna be to frame it up again, because I'm not too sure what is holding up the staircase. I'm hoping there's some rebar on the top there that goes into the concrete upstairs, but I'm not sure. So first thing is I'm gonna frame it up, and then on that side I'm gonna remove the wall, same thing as I did on this side, and then frame it up. Let's get to some framing.
Let's go see what Sam's up to.
Hello.
What you doing, baby?
Finishing up the framing.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
How nasty was it in there?
It was pretty bad, real bad, but now the framing is all done.
Woo! Let's check it out.
Yeah. After all that nastiness, we got everything out, finished the framing, got the water filter system roughed in, and yeah, that's pretty good. And next thing is gonna be the plumbing and electrical in there, and then should be Gucci.
So I want to kind of talk about what we discussed, what might be in that area that you're standing right now.
So we're gonna maybe ask our subscribers and people that follow us, maybe give us some advice. We're thinking maybe either an outdoor shower or some external storage.
Yeah. What do you guys think? What do you think we should do? A outdoor shower where it's kind of, I don't know, we're kind of thinking like bougie on a budget, right? Where we try to get like the bougiest looking outdoor shower, but on the best budget.
Right here I can take a shower.
Woo! You won't be with those short shorts, baby.
No, I'll be naked.
Ah! Birthday suit.
Yeah.
Or we were thinking maybe some storage, because we have a lot of floats that are, you know, for relaxing in the water. But yeah, let us know. Drop a comment below. All right, guys, what did you think? Did you see those critters?
A little bit, a lot of nastiness that I had to endure, and unexpected surprises. As you guys saw, a little bit of rotten wood that was not part of the plan.
So yeah, I mean, tell us what you think of the overall video in the comments below. Again, we really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's our next video?
Next video, we're gonna be actually getting to plumbing.
Are you sure?
This time we're actually gonna get plumbing. Yeah, I promise. We're getting to plumbing in the next video. And then I just also wanna give a quick shout out to everybody in South Africa. Friends, family, like old high school friends that reached out once we started the video. Everybody, we both really appreciate every single one of you, and everybody's telling us keep up the good work. You guys keep up the good work. We appreciate it.
So yes, guys, like, subscribe, comment below. We appreciate the love and support, and we'll see you next week.
Next time. Goodbye.
Woo! So yeah, guys, drop a comment below. Let us know if you think it should be an outdoor shower or some outdoor storage. Let us know. Drop a comment. Whoop, whoop. Ooh, I know what my vote is. What you digging?
Gotta dig a trench for the pipe to go in there, and then that one over there, just cleaning it up.
Wow.
And then I did a 150 grit. No,